Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on HONOR Magic4 Lite. So to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here let's go for and find Google Classroom. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here you'll need to click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use, then click on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so click on Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.